Yo, my guys, my kings, motherfucker got a mental urge, a physical urge. It's pretty powerful right now. So, instead of doing lustful shit, let's get it, man. So this is what you do. Once again, you got the wall sits. That's just when you put your back or you put your hips alongside the wall, you feel me? And you hold it tight. You can even use these boxes and storage and shit. We can use that and just hold your legs up, you know what I'm saying, tight. Squeeze your muscles, you know what I'm saying? You got the wall sits, you got the push-ups, you got the squats, you got the planks, and I'll show you all that. You know what I'm saying? Remember, embracing your masculinity, valuing your inner strength over lustful desires. That's all that is, no pressure. You know what I'm saying? Now, this is a lot of energy. The urges do get powerful at times. And it's just sitting in one area, sitting in your sacral chakra, your pelvic area. You don't want it to just sit right here. Let it do what it do, moving around so it can heal you, heal your cells, you know, build you into becoming that greatest version of yourself. Now, it is a power decision because I don't feel like doing this shit, you know what I'm saying? But that's the best time to do some shit. So making it a consistent habit. This shit burn right now, so that's good. Breathe, you know what I'm saying? And right now, my brain foggy. I could tell it's not really feeling like I could tell myself positive shit. It feels like I gotta force it. And you know what I'm saying? Just the lustful thoughts or sexual thoughts, that shit seeming more easier to come through my mind rather than strength and, you know, prospering forward, moving forward, telling myself I am more powerful than the enemy attacks. I embrace my masculinity. I cosmically love, you know, feminine energy. You know what I'm saying? I respect feminine energy. Being lustful and releasing my seed in unrighteous ways is not the way to go. And it's not going to benefit me. I'm going to be more drained. I'm going to be more, you know, sluggish. I won't perform at an all-time high performance how I would want to. What will make me feel good, you know, doing the uncomfortable things, doing the things that improve my strength mentally as well as physically too. So we got push-ups. Y'all know how to do push-ups, man. There's many variations of push-ups, man. Before I recommend it, we'll try it. Because I know slow push-ups is good, but we'll try it though. You can do slow push-ups. Do it however you want to do it to transmute the energy. You know what I'm saying? Remember, you great. Never forget that. This path not for everybody. You great. You meant for greatness. You know? You also got planks. Put your elbows down. Get that out the way. And you hold it just like this. You know? Squeeze your muscles. Keep your belly up from the ground from dropping. Shit burns you. And basically almost like a wall sit, but you'll hold yourself up with your elbows. You know what I'm saying? And your toes, of course. The tip of your toes. But yeah, you great. This feeling will pass. You're going to alchemize it. You're going to get stronger and you're going to get better. You feel me? Your thoughts might tell you to hit up a shorty. Your thoughts might tell you to get on some lustful activity shit. No. That's simple. Just tell yourself no. And the pain that come with it, embrace it. Feel me? Do I want to tell myself no? My body not telling me that. It's all about reprogramming. Feel me? The thoughts ain't telling me that. I'm planting in them seeds in my head, and them positive seeds, to tell myself I am more powerful than anything that's low vibrational. You know what I'm saying? Everything telling me yes to do the bullshit, to eat some bullshit, to fall back and do old habits. Shit, if I used to smoke weed, but if I was craving weed, it would be that feeling. If I ain't smoking it so